Per the United Nations, the world's population is estimated to increase to 8.6 billion people in 2030 and 9.8 billion people in 2050. This growing population challenges the current food system through climate change and limited resources such as land, water, time, and energy use. How will we produce enough food to support this growing population? Let's look at beef. Currently, 63 to 74% of individuals in North America are estimated to consume red or processed meat, and that percentage is only expected to grow. Consuming animal meat like beef is not the most sustainable either. Producing 1 kilogram of beef requires over 15,000 liters of water and a lot of land, and it produces a ton of greenhouse gases. Not to mention, about 1/3 of land is used for agricultural purposes, and 30% of our crops are used to feed these animals, which are very inefficient uses of land and energy. Unless we all start eating less beef burgers and meatballs, sustainable food technologies must be developed to meet the demands for beef without damaging our environment. One solution is the use of a technology called cellular agriculture. Cellular agriculture is the creation of animal-based products using cells from the animal. The process begins by taking out a type of cell called stem cells from the cow. These cells are then placed in a vessel known as a bioreactor or cultivator. Nutrients such as protein, sugars, vitamins, and inorganic salts are added to help the cells grow and multiply. After multiplying to over billions and trillions of cells, additional supplements that help these cells grow, called growth factors, are added to turn the cells into specific ones, such as those that form tissues, skeletal muscle, or fat. The overall time depends on what type of meat you are trying to make, but usually this process takes about 2 to 8 weeks to achieve the desired meat product, such as a burger patty. How does this stack up against regular beef? Compared to regular beef, the meat made from cells was shown to have environmental benefits, such as fewer emitted greenhouse gases, decreased land use, decreased water use, and less water pollution. Because the meat product is created in a safe, clean, and controlled environment, the resulting meat products can be expected to be the same. It can also be easily altered to achieve specific desirable characteristics, such as adding more or less fat, or adding essential vitamins, minerals, or nutrients. Lastly, since we can create a ton of meat from just a few animals, the supply of this meat product will also be more reliable. However, cell-based meat also comes with some challenges. First, selecting the correct type of cells, adding the appropriate solution to mix these cells in, and operating the vessel can be a challenge. It might also take some time for cell-based meat products to be socially accepted by everyone. Lastly, more energy was needed to create the meat from cells as compared to regular beef. When making large amounts of cell-based meats, this number may increase. However, scientists are hopeful that future improvements in technology can lower the amount of energy needed in the future. With immense potential, cellular agriculture appears to be a promising, sustainable solution to meet the demands of our growing population for beef products. By creating meat through cells, people will still get their burgers, and our environment will remain happy.